Hey, can I tell you something I've never admitted out loud? I wasted 3 years of my engineering life, not by accident, but because I thought I had all the time in the world. Back then, life was chill. Wake up late, skip class, you know how it goes, hang out with friends, watch random movies, late night Maggie, of course, silly fights over nothing really. Marks, heh, no one even cared. And future, puffed. That word didn't even exist. Placement, to ho jayega yaar. We felt invincible, but we weren't. And then final year happened. Suddenly, people had resumes, like actual resumes, bro. They had everything ready. And me, I was just sitting there, staring at this blank screen. No internships, no projects worth mentioning, no clue what I was even doing. It was like this weird sinking feeling in my chest. That moment it hit hard. You know what's worse than failing onking? Regretting. Regretting that you had time and you let it rot. I didn't lose marks. I didn't lose a job. What I lost was time. And time, it doesn't come back, ever. But hey, sorry, got a little emotional there. Let's get to the point. That day, I made a decision. No more guessing. No more wasting time. I stopped pretending and started asking what actually matters. What if I stop chasing marks and start building skills? What if, is say I go all in on something real, something powerful? That's the day it all changed for me. I discovered digital verification, a world where bits make decisions and bugs, they can break billion-dollar chips. I started with SystemVerilog, learned how to model designs, write clean test benches, and then I met UVM agents, drivers, monitors, the whole architecture. I built real test benches, ran simulations, analyzed waveforms, and now I even use AI tools to generate code and debug faster than ever. It's not just coding, it's engineering trust, one line at a time. This channel, it's more than tutorials, more than code, more than just system verilog this or UVM that. This is your support system because I know what it feels like to be lost, to feel like you're falling behind while others race ahead. You might get a doubt like, am I even good enough? Let me tell you, you are. You just need the right direction, the right push, and someone who actually gets it. That's why I'm here. Every video on this channel is made for you. The student who is stuck, the engineer who is restarting, the dreamer who still believes they can figure it out. We'll learn together. We'll fail together. We'll rise together. This isn't just a channel, it's your training ground, your second chance. And I'm right here with you every step of the way. Here, we don't just learn, we rebuild, we reflect, we rise. Because sometimes what we need isn't another tutorial, it's belief. Belief that we can still start over, still catch up, still shine, no matter how far behind we feel. This channel isn't perfect, I'm not perfect. But I'll be here sharing what I've learned, guiding you with honesty and cheering for your smallest wins, whether you're in a hostel, at your desk after work, or scrolling at 2 a.m. thinking, where did I go wrong? I see you, and I made this for you. This isn't just content, this is your second chance. So